Hey guys, in this video, if you're curious about why you should have Prime in CS2, explaining it here. Nice and easy. With that in mind, let's dive right into the video. When you have Prime, you'll be matched with other Prime members in CS2. Also, in ranked matches, only players with Prime are allowed to be checked into skill groups. Compared to games with cheaters, which are very common in CS2, people with Prime will be, luckily, not matched with many cheaters. This is because if they get banned, it's going to be difficult to make a new account because Prime costs money. A Prime membership will also offer you access to community servers. But maybe most importantly, for some people, it'll also give you access to the weekly care package system, which works like a free battle pass. Really great and rewards the experience and time you spend playing CS2. So I'd say that having Prime is almost a necessity when playing CS2. Anyway, those are all the major points of why you should have Prime in CSGO. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe if this educated you.